Hi there. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the Hohem Go. So it's actually is auto tracking. So it's powered by AI. So it's from Hohem. So you don't need the application to make it work. All you need is just your phone and the device, and then you can start. So which is pretty good because you can use third app like Blackmagic app and other app. You can, when you are doing live, it's actually really good for when you decide to do live. You can just follow you pan really well. I think you do like 360. So 360, which is pretty good. So, and it doesn't cost that much. There's some gimbal that really like 200 or 300 or maybe 100 something. Some of them doesn't even have the auto tracking. So this one, you just need to do a sign and then you are ready to go. So in the box they'll give you a Type-C A cable, so to charge the device, and then that's already in the box. They will include a bit of what you call it, all the information, how to use it and all those things. So also at the bottom of the device you have like a screw where you can put on the tripod if you want to, and then there's an area that you can put your phone holder. You have to have a portrait, or if you want it vertical. So you got all those things there. So it's a pretty cool compact device, which is good. But the one flaw about it is like how they design it. You cannot, when you have your phone on it, you cannot charge at the same time unless you have the phone on landscape. But if it's on vertical, you cannot charge it. So that's one of the downsides. I hope next time they'll think something differently and then they'll design it better. So apart from that, it's all cool. Anyway, bye.